that amazing?
So ayan guys, welcome back to my channel. So this celebration guys is hindi lang ito swimming or nag-enjoy. So ito guys ay parang isang reunion na rin ng pamilya para magkita-kita or magsama-sama uli para naman magkaroon ng bonding o di kaya quality time para sa pamilya. So guys, this is the part 2 of my adventure here in Villa Filomena. So let's go guys.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So ayan guys, mostly itong spot na to ang binabalik-balikan ng mga tao kasi nga hindi lang sila nag-i-enjoy. Nakapag-release pa sila ng stress kasi kahit doon sa kabila ng ilog, nagdadala sila doon ng alak para doon sila mag-inuman. So napakaraming tao ngayon kaya ayan, kung saan-saan na lang sila nagpepwesto para mag-enjoy guys.
Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
At syempre guys, hindi mawawala sa eksena ang hanging bridge ng Villa Filomena na isa rin sa popular na pinupuntahan at hinahanap ng mga tao dito sa resort. So yan guys, ang nagko-connect doon para makapunta ka sa taas para makita yung mga yung farm nila at saka yung botanical garden nila na maraming bulaklak at saka mga hayop na basta mga hayop.
Never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it.
At sa lahat ng mga pupunta dito guys, panigurado ako na bawat segundo nyo ay kapakpakinabang at mag-i-enjoy po kayo sa buong oras na nandito kayo sa Villa Filomena.
Life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Sa halagang 200 pesos guys, day tour, masusulit nyo po ang inyong pera dahil nasa maraming activities na pwede kayong gawin dito. So sa mga pwede rin pong pumunta yung may mga birthdays, pwede po mag-celebrate dito yung may mga birthdays. Kahit ano pong celebration pwedeng ganapin dito kasi maluwang naman yung area ng Villa Filomena. At sa mga merong private parties, just inquire guys, pwede po kayong mag-celebrate dito.
Sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose. Keep me warm. But we can lay down and I'm chasing, and I'm feeling, and you got both.
Still lots of feel like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel it sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand a thing of pain. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose.
At ngayon guys, sa mga mahilig uminom ng sobra, huwag pong kalimutan na magbaon ng sariling higaan para po bukan na kayo. Yahagi. And guys, sa mga mahilig mag-karaoke, meron pong available na karaoke dito na for rent. So, kaya ako nag-silent dito kasi nga halos lahat ng cottage ay merong karaoke silang mga nirentahan.
Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this.
Hoy!
I feel so useless,
Shine!
I feel diluted. My heart's
Ano ginagawa mo dyan? Ha?
I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand a thing of pain. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Punta natin hanggang dulo. So guys, ito yung last part ng Philomena. Ha? Ba't nandini kayo? Ay bakit ginagawa pala doon? Hoy Shanang, maliligo ka dyan? Meron dito silang machine. Bakit kaya? Hmm? So ayan guys, dito pala sa bandang ibaba ng Villa Philomena ay patuloy pa rin po ang ginagawa ang pagko-construction ng mga ng ilog. So possible na madudugtungan pa yung haba ng property ng Villa Philomena. So abangan na lang po natin. So guys, ito yung mga ATV nila sa mga gustong mag-rent. Tapos guys, meron silang mga available na siguro for rent to, salbabida. Bidyohan kayo.
Oh,
Ang
mamaya.
pogi.
Nakarating din sa taas.
Oo. Doon? Hindi na ako pumunta doon.
Hindi ka magkano.
So ayan guys, everything is safe here kasi may mga CCTV na nakapalibot sa buong resort. So ayan guys, yung mga example ng CCTV. Bye, time to go home. So guys, umambo na. Time to go home na guys. Bye. See you next time, Villa Pilomena. So guys, it's time to go home. Ayan, naghahakotan na silang lahat.